devotion, pounding rhythm in motion. It's a full moon kind of night, yeah. I don't wanna go home yet. You can question my devotion, wear my heart on my shoulder. Just relax and let the riptide pull you close.
Today we're going to Malibu and Point Dean State Beach.
Energy, the body flows. Baby, all I wanna do is coast with you. Frequency of all we know.
Feeling like I caught a wave with you. I've been dealing with a lot of changes, and all the people that I like to hang with, they all been saying that I ain't the same. Listen, I've been chilling with you for a couple days. If you ain't afraid, me and you should rage in the sun rays. Come on out the cage, don't wanna tame, live it your way. Body go for days, got me in the days. Parties in LA, feel like holidays. Hit the PCH and we on the way to a place I was born and raised. You live on the screen and the stage, I wanna fit in between of your legs. Let's pick a day, everything can wait. Words can't relate, but it's giving fate.
Alright, damage done. Let's give it a try.
It's not that tough.
Bro got his own little drink from the menu. Something no one's ever ordered before, I'm not gonna lie. Wow, that's really something. That's so offensive. I don't know why. Do you guys see these green bits at the bottom? They're adding absolutely nothing. This is like the pineapple your mom tells you not to buy at the store, blended up. It's actually really good. I like it. I like it a lot.
There's
do you
a lot
have
of
here?
sugar in this bullshit.
What do you have here?
I made my own smoothie.
I wanna. Good morning, everyone. Bro is a working man at the bus stop.
Saw you in the backyard, baby, with the barbecue blazing on a Saturday. Yeah. House party jumping so loud, crystal. I was sipping when you sleep, and you say, "Can I kick it?" Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Can I kick it? Yes, we can. Jukebox on a blacktop, lifestyle West Coast love. After school, hooking up in your drop top. West Coast love, shooting fireworks in the sky. Oh, how the time goes by. Boy, how you never left my mind. That's that West Coast love. West Coast love never left my mind.
Do I depend on you? 16, I'm about to pull up. Think about your body too much. I'm feeling you.
We just got called beautiful, like Starbucks and animes. Isn't that awesome? Okay, now we're going to Little Tokyo after the gym, and we're gonna get some lunch.
But something inside
what just happened?
Yeah, we listened to more Ariana songs than I have to pick some. But
Basically.
I know more Kendrick songs or A$AP
No one was
my
even
second,
testing.
third, fourth, and fifth artist all block her.